unpacked. The kids are showered, they're in pajamas, they're all lotioned up, they're good to go. And we have one carry-on. Each kid has a backpack. Sock has a backpack. I have my diaper bag. And one bag we're checking in, and we have to check in a booster seat and 2 car seats. It's so easy, Anna. Good job for stopping. Hold my hand. Yep.
Jewel is just
We're in Ontario. The kids did super good on the flight. This guy was the fuzziest, but he fell asleep and oops, where is he? Just needed some snack. They watched movies, they did their activities, they had their snacks, they did a good job. So we're waiting for luggage and car seats and cousins to come get us. Let me see.
how done was this at your job?
You got a sticker? Wow. He did have a meltdown in security, but he did.
Oh no,
better.
my sticker!
If that's your sticker.
Mom, come on, the sticker's gone.
Oh, pick it up, pick it up. So we're waiting for a van to pull up.